Is your Samsung TV not showing up on Airplay? Here are 6 methods to fix the issue and get your streaming back on track. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your Samsung TV model supports Airplay. Only models from 2018 or newer have built-in Airplay functionality. Step 2. Update your TV's firmware. Go to Settings, Support Software Update. Update now. Keeping your firmware up to date can resolve compatibility issues. Step 3. Ensure both devices are on the same network. Double-check that your Samsung TV and the device you're trying to connect via Airplay are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for Airplay to work. Step 4. Restart both devices. Turn off and then on your Samsung TV and the device you are using Airplay from iPhone, iPad, or Mac. A simple restart can often resolve connection issues. Step 5. Enable Airplay on your TV. On your Samsung TV, navigate to Settings, General, Apple Airplay Settings, Airplay, and make sure it's turned on. Step 6. Check Firewall and Security Settings. On your Mac, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, Firewall, and make sure Airplay is not being blocked by your firewall settings.